Well, after last night's shenanigans, driving home in the rain, waiting for my ride home from work, and hope it gets here soon, because I'm walking. And that, I don't know if you hear that, but it sounds a little like thunder, whatever, but it's been doing it constantly for like 30 minutes now. I've just never known thunder to do that. And if it does, then I guess I stand corrected. But I never heard it do that. Clouds are fucked up looking as usual. Some low, some high. Some white, some black. Some dark, some light. Like, look at that shit. That's pretty sweet looking, but a lot of things are sweet looking. Bookers.